Mint is shutting down, but free apps like PocketGuard offer powerful budgeting, saving hours. Mint is shutting down, but its free financial tracking legacy moves to Credit Karma. Use Credit Karma's Net Worth feature to monitor assets and debts without cost. This provides a free dashboard overview for your business. Next, PocketGuard's free tier simplifies budgeting by showing how much is left to spend. Link all accounts to see your In My Pocket balance. This free feature helps prevent overspending by tracking income minus bills and savings automatically. Building on that, Goodbudget offers a free digital envelope system, ideal for managing variable expenses. Its free plan includes 10 regular envelopes and 1 account sync. Allocate funds to categories like marketing or supplies to control spending. Speaking of control, YNAB's core zero-based budgeting method ensures every dollar has a job. While its app costs $14.99 monthly, you can apply this principle with a simple spreadsheet. Allocate income to expenses, savings, or debt until your budget balance reaches zero. Finally, Copilot offers AI-powered spending insights and subscription tracking. Its full service costs $8.33 monthly, but a 14-day free trial allows you to experience its categorization and trend analysis. Use this trial to identify hidden spending patterns for your business. You've learned how to leverage free apps and methods for better money management. Check out our next video on AI tools for invoicing.